Welcome to the Learning Expedition. This channel is dedicated to exploring diverse educational topics, providing insights and knowledge to enhance your learning journey. Join us as we delve into various subjects, offering valuable content to expand your understanding and skills. Let's embark on this educational adventure together. In this session, we will explore the concepts of mediation and moderation, crucial for understanding complex relationships in data analysis. We'll provide a practical demonstration using SPSS, tailored for beginners. This will equip you with the foundational knowledge to differentiate and apply these concepts effectively in your research. Mediation explains how an independent variable affects a dependent variable through a third variable. For example, stress may lead to depression by disrupting sleep quality. Here, sleep quality acts as the mediator. Understanding this concept helps in identifying the underlying mechanisms in data relationships. To perform mediation analysis in SPSS, install the process macro by Andrew Hayes. Open your dataset and navigate to Analyze, Regression, and Process. Select Model 4 for simple mediation, input your variables, and check the Bootstrap option. This process helps identify significant mediation effects in your data. Moderation examines when or for whom the relationship between variables changes. For instance, stress may cause more depression in women than in men, with gender acting as the moderator. This concept is vital for understanding how different factors influence the strength or direction of relationships in your data. For moderation analysis in SPSS, go to Analyze, Regression, and Process. Select Model 1 for simple moderation, input your variables, and tick Mean Center for products. In the output, look for the interaction term to determine if moderation exists. This analysis reveals how different conditions affect your data relationships. Thank you for joining the Learning Expedition. We hope this session has enhanced your understanding of mediation and moderation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for future episodes where we continue to explore and learn together. See you next time.